Today, we will make a simple rose design using stem stitch. Start from the center of the rose. Take a stitch about 2 stitch lengths forward and insert the needle down into the fabric. Now, bring the needle back up through the middle of the stitch you just made. Keep the thread on the same side of the needle. Next, move 1 stitch length forward. Bring the needle back up through the end of the previous stitch. This will create a smooth stem stitch line. Repeat the same steps. Insert the needle 1 stitch length ahead. Then bring it back up through the end of the previous stitch. For smooth curves, use slightly shorter stitches. Continue stitching along the traced line, following the curves carefully. Make small and even stitches for a clean finish. As you go around the curved petals, adjust the stitch length slightly to maintain the shape. A very important tip for stem stitch is to always keep the working thread on the outer side of the design. This makes the curves look smooth, neat, and clearly defined. Continue following this method throughout the entire design for the best results. Once the flower is complete, move on to the leaves. Using green thread, start stitching the leaf outlines with stem stitch. Follow the shape of each leaf carefully. Add the small leaf details in the center to make the design look more attractive. And that's it. Our simple stem stitch rose embroidery is now complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy hand embroidery tutorials.